Hello and welcome back to POSAdvisors guide series for EncorePOS. My name is Billy, and today we'll be looking at the exception report. As a retail liquor store, your registers move a lot of product and a lot of cash. The aim of many tools in EncorePOS, such as the exception report, is to help you make sure that all business at the front end of your store is being done in a legitimate way. Starting from the EncorePOS login screen, log on to the EncorePOS dashboard. Click the Reports tab, scroll over Sales, and select Exceptions Report. On this page, we'll need to give EncorePOS some information. First, in the Report Selections window, use this drop-down menu to choose what types of exceptions you'd like to see included in the report. Every type of exception EncorePOS takes note of is here for us to sort by. Next, we move to the Date Range for Report window. We can use this box to look a week, month, 90 days, 6 months, or a year back in time from the moment you run the report. We can also choose a custom time frame. Say if we wanted to see all exceptions made at the registers from January of 2019 to the end of February of the same year, all we need to do is click this checkbox to select Custom Time Frame and use this calendar tool to pick out specific dates. Once the exception type and timeline are selected, click the Submit button to run the report. The report quickly pulls all the necessary information regarding exceptions. We can see when the exception was made, who made it, where it was made, what type of exception it was, the price change made, if relevant, and what item it was made for. As with all our other reports, click these arrows on the column heads to change the sorting of the report. See more entries per page with this drop-down menu, or browse pages with these buttons. You can also narrow your results by using the search bar. If you'd like to copy the table to your clipboard, click here. You can export the table to an Excel file with this button, a PDF with this button, or send it directly to a printer with this button. If you're finished with the report, click this X on the top of the screen to return to the settings page, where you can make a new search or return to the Reports tab on the dashboard by clicking the Cancel button. That's it for this video today. Let us know what you thought by leaving a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe to keep up with the latest and greatest from POSAdvisors. We'll have our related links and our support number all in the description, so don't hesitate to call us if you need us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.